to my YouTube channel about being a hot mom. If you want hot mom content, you've come to the right. That is porn. That's porn. Welcome to Fancy as the show that isn't mad, it's just disappointed. I'm Emily Nejad, and today we're frying donuts. A baked donut. Truly a treat that only a mother could love. She may tell you that it's good, but I'm gonna give it to you straight. A baked donut is a muffin with a hole in the middle of it. I said what I said. You see, I like my donuts with a little bit of crust on it, you know? Fluffy, pillowy on the inside, but just a little bit of a crunch on the outside, just a little chew. And the only way that you're gonna get that kind of texture is by deep frying that bad boy, so that's what we're gonna do.
Let's mix our ingredients. I've already put my wet ingredients in the bowl of my stand mixer. I got my sour cream, I got my butter, I got a little bit of water, I got a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and I got some, that's an eggshell. There's a little piece of an eggshell here. And that, my friends, can we see this? Can you see this little guy? This is why you always crack eggs into a separate container and never directly into your bowl, okay? Because sometimes you it up. I'm using all-purpose flour, a little bit of nutmeg, some baking powder, salt. I put a little pinch of cinnamon in here too because I like a little bit of cinnamon in my donuts. I'm gonna scrape this bowl down. And then we're gonna turn this dough out onto a piece of parchment paper that's been generously dusted with flour. Put another piece of parchment on top and then roll it out to about a ½ inch thick. You don't want your donuts to be crazy thick because then they won't cook the whole way through.
One of the hallmarks of an old-fashioned sour cream donut is that one side has like a cracked split texture to it, and we want to make sure that that split texture isn't on the face of our donut. So the way that we avoid that is by dropping our donuts in face down. We're combining powdered sugar and vanilla coffee creamer. I love using a vanilla coffee creamer because it's super, super white, and I love the taste. Hold for curl, hold for curl. Okay, so our glaze is super thick, but we're not done yet. We're adding one more ingredient. It's the magic ingredient. That ingredient is corn syrup. So you can skip this if you want to, but I would not recommend it because our corn syrup is going to give our glaze shine, and it's going to encourage the glaze to set because no one wants to bite into a wet donut. So now's the fun part. We're gonna experiment with 3 different finishes for our donuts. A solid glaze, a ribbon glaze, and a galaxy glaze.
Choose your fighter.
Round 1, solid glaze. Mix in 1 to 2 drops of Jelly Hues into your glaze. With a firm grip on your donut, dip it into the decorator's glaze and slowly lift it up, giving it a little shake to coax the excess glaze off the donut. Round 2, ribbon glaze. Start with a solid glazed donut and choose a pretty complementary color to layer over it. Ribbon some glaze on the donut, repeating with as many colors as you'd like. If the added glaze looks a little wonky at first, don't worry about it. It's gonna settle into the base color and look gorgeous. Galaxy glaze. Start with uncolored glaze and drip 2 to 3 of your favorite colors into the bowl. Give the colors a little head start on combining by doing a conservative swirl. Be careful not to overmix at the beginning or it'll end up looking like mud. Top these with your favorite sprinkles and, of course, prism powder. And you've got donuts fit for a queen. Pillowy fried cakey goodness with just a little bit of crunch from the sprinkles. Your mom's been putting up with your for years. She deserves it. Wait, she deserves it. She deserves this. So now you know how to make 3 different types of donut glaze, and you finally know how to make your mother proud of you. Make sure you hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Beauty tip. Oh, I'm sorry, you don't want a cauldron of boiling oil in your kitchen? Stop by your favorite donut shop or the grocery store and pick up some Naked Cake donuts for a little fancy makeover. Whip up a quick glaze, throw some sprinkles on it, and you're done.